I sling the bag over my shoulder. This door does not budge. He takes off his shirt. Why do you squabble with your friend? Whose pen is this?
This pen belongs to me. I am not coming to the movie.
Stop kidding me. Do you feel hungry?
Yes, I feel hungry.
Where is Vedant?
He is on his way. Let's go to the park.
Pardon me? Please tell me which one to choose.
You can choose the red marker. First, I sling the bag over my shoulder. This door does not budge. He takes off his shirt. Why do you squabble with your friend? Whose pen is this? Stop kidding. Do you feel hungry? He is on his way. Pardon me. Please tell me which one to choose.
Hello viewers, you would have enjoyed watching this video. In this video, the kids have taken some efforts to speak and also they have attempted to act. When they act, our learning outcome will be in a way somewhat better. That's what happens. And we have given subtitles also. These subtitles will help us learn in a better way. Thank you.